Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A15 5G smartphone. In this video you will learn whether quick ball is available or not in your phone Samsung Galaxy A15 5G. First understand that what is quick ball. Quick ball is a special feature, and this quick ball option will be given in Vivo and Oppo phones, but in Samsung it is nothing but assistive menu. Okay, assistant menu is the quick ball here. Okay, the same feature is used here, so quick ball will be available, but in the name of other. Okay, in the other name. Okay, assistant menu is nothing but quick ball. Okay, so how to enable assistant menu? Go to settings and then go to accessibility. And then go to interaction and textility and turn on assistant menu and give permission. This is assistant menu icon. Okay, this once you touch on assistant menu, there will be some quick options. Okay, so in this quick options you can select, for example, to take screenshot, you can easily take screenshot. Okay, so for this quick action, it is named as quick ball in other brand, but in this brand it is named as assistant menu. Okay, so quick ball is nothing but assistant menu in Samsung Galaxy A15 5G. Okay, so it's available, surely it is available, and you can enable like this. Okay, that's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.